In this video, we're going to show you a standard joint assembly for GENSTAX. First thing to note is that there is a male end and a female end. Before you start assembly, you're going to want to clean both of those ends thoroughly with a commercial degreaser or acetone. After you're done with that, you can start your assembly process. You're going to use the S650 around the outside edge of the male coupler, and then also on the female side you can add an 1/8 inch bead of S2000 along the flange on the inner wall. When that's complete, we can assemble the parts by stacking one on top of the other. After they're together, we add the assembly band, then use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the bolts. And that completes assembly.